Migrating a website to Cloudways involves several key steps. Here's a concise guide. Sign up and launch a server. Create an account on Cloudways. Choose a cloud provider and launch a server. Select the server specifications based on your website needs. Prepare for migration. Backup your website. Ensure you have a full backup of your current website, including files and databases. Export data. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, export your content and database from your current hosting provider. Install the application. On Cloudways, navigate to the Applications tab and install the same CMS or application on your new server. Migrate your website. Upload files. Use FTP or SFTP or the Cloudways file manager to upload your website files to the new server. Import database. Use phpMyAdmin on Cloudways to import your database backup. Update DNS settings. Point your domain's DNS to the new Cloudways server IP. This is done through your domain register's control panel. Test and verify. Once the DNS changes propagate, test your website on the new server to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Secure and optimize. Configure SSL via Cloudways for a secure connection. Optimize performance settings and enable caching if needed.